Welcome to this overview on executing world-class industrial projects through PMI standards using the SVIZONA Industrial Solutions Turnkey methodology. In today's complex industrial landscape, successful delivery demands rigorous governance over ad hoc processes, which is why we align our execution methodology with the recognized frameworks of PMI USA to guarantee outcomes within budget, on schedule, and to the highest quality. We achieve this by mapping our proprietary turnkey process directly to the core PMI frameworks: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and finally, closing. Our journey begins with establishing complete project integration and governance, where we collaborate deeply with your team to ensure a unified baseline for scope, risk, and resource planning. We then define a precise scope through multidisciplinary design and engineering, consolidating complex technical requirements across automation, electrical, mechanical, and instrumentation into a single, manageable plan. To secure quality control, we enforce strict documentation management, ensuring all engineering drawings undergo rigorous internal validation so every stakeholder shares a single, verifiable source of truth. Our strategic procurement phase capitalizes on global reach while enforcing strict quality gates, sourcing exclusively from internationally recognized OEMs on our approved vendor list to guarantee reliability. Execution then moves to our dedicated SIS fabrication facility, where we maintain a controlled environment for panel assembly and system integration, ensuring uncompromising oversight before deployment into harsh industrial settings. We formalize the transition through a strict closing and handover process, utilizing our experienced commissioning team to ensure the final solution perfectly matches the baseline scope and agreed contractual terms. Our commitment extends beyond the project lifecycle into operational sustainment, where our SFS team provides comprehensive after-sales support and customized on-site services to maximize your long-term ROI. By mapping our methodology to PMI standards, SVIZONA Industrial Solutions replaces project risk with rigorous governance, delivering unmatched quality for complex industrial environments strictly on time and precisely on budget. Elevate your industrial execution and secure your project's success by partnering with SVIZONA Industrial Solutions. We invite you to experience the gold standard of project delivery by replacing project risk with rigorous governance and PMI-aligned frameworks. Contact us today to ensure your next complex turnkey solution is delivered strictly on time, precisely on budget, and with the unmatched quality your operations demand.